Rajya Sabha MP from Meghalaya, Dr. W.R. Kharluki, today inaugurated two projects under MP LATS 2024-25 and one project under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund CMSDF 2024-25 and also released one ambulance under the CMSDF 2024-25 at Rangthong village, Southwest Khasi Hills district. The program was also attended by local officials, students and residents of Rangthong village. The three projects include cementing the campus of Rangthong Community Hall and construction of fencing for the Dorbar Hall at Rangthong amounting Rs 10 lakhs each under MP LATS 2024-25 and construction of retaining wall for Rangthong Dorbar Hall under CMSDF 2024-25 amounting Rs 9 lakhs. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Kharluki praised Rangthong village Mintri Kitborlang Nongrem for his efforts in bringing development to the village.
Và ublei tu Krishna, but she said this me, in long and enough, like a green, but it's a